Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. After a very long time, I would like to share one question with you. I want to tell you something because this question I faced one of in my interview. So just I would like to share my experience and also how I solved this question in that interview. Okay, so the question is nothing but find the frequency of a numbers from the list. Here we have a numbers and in the we have a one list. In that list, the numbers are repeated frequently. Okay. In that list, we have to find like how many times a number repeated in that list. Okay. I think you got an idea about this logic. Okay. Uh, For this question, I would like to solve this question in the JavaScript. So because in that interview I solved this, I got a solution in JavaScript, and they also asked in JavaScript. Okay, that's why I want to write this logic in JavaScript. Okay, if you want in another language, just comment it. I will try in on some other language. That's cool. Just take one list, like const array list. Okay, one, two, one, two, and three. Here we have a list one, two, one, two, three. In this list, uh, one repeated three times. Okay, and two repeated two times, and three repeated only one time. So we need this kind of output. Okay, we have to show this kind of output on the console. Okay, for this, if you want to count, if you want to count, we have a best approach. What we have, like, how can you store this frequency of a number? How can you count a particular number? So we have a one feature. We can use key value pairs feature. Okay, because here, what is the key here? Key is one, two, and three. Okay, and what is the value here? Three, two, and one. So in which future we can use this key value base? We have a future that is map. Okay, in this map we can store data in the form of key value base. Okay, for this you can give a minute. I want to comment this. Okay, thank you. And after that, just create one map. Okay, just create a one map. How can you create a map? We can use by using uh, new keyword. Okay, we can make a map. We can create a map with help of new keyword. Like you have to create and you have to initialize one variable to reference. Okay, for that I'm using map keyword. and also new map. This is a one method we have in the JavaScript. Okay, and write one for loop. For loop. In that for loop, just initialize I as a zero, and how many times that loop will run? We have to run length length times. Okay, and I plus plus. After that, you have to count. Okay, you have to count that value. Okay, how many times that particular value repeated. For that, we can use one method, one property of this map, that is set. Okay, in that set, you have to mention like key and value. Okay, one key and one value. Okay, for that, here, what is the key here? Key is nothing but array of I value. And another one is, what is the value here? Frequency. So here in the JavaScript, if you want to write value for this particular key, then what will you do? First, you have to create a one variable to count that value. Okay, because in that map, if you if you initialize a one empty map for a particular variable, then it will store the default value is undefined. Undefined also one value because you are not mentioning any value. Okay, for that, if you use this value, will you do this increment? No, that's not possible. Okay, for that, you can use one logic here. Just see. For that, just get if you want to get one particular key value, then we can use this get method. We get not a method. This is the one property in that map. Okay, if you want access the one property of a particular feature, then you can we can what will you use? What will we use? We can use dot. Okay, yeah, here. Okay. So for this, what will you get? I will show you. Give a minute. Yeah, I want to console this code. Okay, form. Definitely, what you will get. Just see. Yeah, you got undefined, undefined, undefined. So, but if you use one OR operator and initialize one value as a zero, so if this value, if this count value zero and undefined, then by default the compiler will assign zero value. Okay, just see what will happen. Yeah, now you can count easily and you can make increment operation easily. Okay, that's it. Yeah, for, for that, uh, what will you do? Just see. Yeah, for this, yeah, you have created one set property. You have taken one set property and you are given one key. And but how can you make this count increment? Okay, for that you can use like plus one. Yeah, that's a cool. Okay, now if you if you console this code after that, sorry, log map, Yeah, I got it. One is three times, and two is two times, and three is one time. Yeah, yeah, that's so cool. That's a that's my logic. I will explain my previous interview. So how is it? Just comment it. Yeah, that's fine. Guys, we'll meet with next logic. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching my videos and thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video with next wonderful logic with another question. Yeah, that's it, guys. If you want this code in another language, just comment it, guys. I will try to explain in that also. Yeah, thank you.